Welcome to Bright Social Pro. To access your Bright Social Pro account, begin by going to the URL crm.realestatedigitalapp.com. Start by signing into your Bright Social Pro account by providing your email address and password that's associated with the account that was created. Once you've done so, sign in to your Bright Social Pro account. Now that you're in your account, you'll have access to a wide variety of tools provided within your Social Pro platform, such as uploading files or documents within the backend system, along with editing the options within your blog, creating new open houses, adding in new social media links to tie to your platform, along with adding additional blog content. To create a brand new blog within your blog function, simply click on New Blog Post, which will allow you to create your own content. Just ensure that you have an image provided within your blog content to ensure that it has a professional look. You can add an image to your blog content by looking in the editing tools provided within the blog function. Simply look over to the right-hand side for the Insert Media icon. By clicking on this icon, it will allow you to load in an image from your PC or Mac of your choice. Remember that when creating a new blog post, you do want to ensure that you've added a specific title or subject to your content, along with changing the status of your content from draft to published so that it does project out as soon as you create the content. By adding in specific tags, it makes it easier to identify that content on the front-facing website. Once you've created your content, you can simply click the Create icon at the bottom of your blog content. If you're looking to add other elements to your blog functionality, such as video, your video does need to be hosted on another resource, such as YouTube, in order to gather or utilize that video in your blog. By simply going through the steps of clicking the Share icon on your video, embedding the proper code to implement into your blog, you would then be able to use it by simply selecting the similar icon within your blog functions to populate this code to utilize in your blog posting, from which you will be able to utilize your video in your blog resource as you initially planned. For those of you that are looking to add additional blog content to your blog, you are able to do so by simply going through additional steps and selecting our blog library. Within the blog library, you will find thousands of articles that are provided, allowing you to simply preview one of these designated blogs that are already placed inside of your program. By reading through the content to ensure that it does fit all of your needs, you are able to publicize this content by simply clicking on the Publish icon at the top of the screen. If you're needing to make a few revisions to make the content more unique or specific to your focus, you are able to click on the Edit icon to make the necessary revisions. If you're in need of revising a previous blog that has been established into your blog function, you can access it by going to My Blog Post. Within the My Blog Post icon, you will find all of your previous blog publications that have been delivered, from which you can select the Edit icon on any of these blogs to revise them in the proper manner. Once you've made the necessary updates, simply select the Save icon at the bottom of the screen. Just remember that when using your blog functionality, there are a few things to remember. For one, with your LinkedIn account, it is a platform that does need to be refreshed or updated every 60 days. Within your platform, you will receive an email notification informing you that that update is needed. Simply click on the icon inside of the email, and that will allow for you to refresh the link, allowing for content to continue to be distributed to your LinkedIn account. For any other links that may break inside of your program, you will have the option to simply click on the links that are distributed through the emails that are provided to bring you to this page and to properly reinstall those icons. For additional assistance on this, there are other tutorials that are provided that will give you the guidance if needed. But we hope that you do find the utilization of your blog functionality within your Bright Social Pro platform to be useful and a great way to consistently keep touches out into your sphere of influence. To view the content for your Social Pro account, check out your real estate digital website or view any of your social channels connected to your Social Pro account. We hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial on your Bright Social Pro service. Remember, your business revolves around the touches made to your audience. With the enhancements of using social media within our service, you're on the right path. Thank you and have a wonderful